fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through when you reach for your star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill. My love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you'll make, in every road you'll take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through. Life is not at all that bad. You believe in yourself. You believe there's someone who wants to laugh with you. You'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands and love, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden, come to me. just face the rising sun. You see hope, there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are
nakikiusap po kami, magsiupo tayo ng lahat. Meron pong konting program, mamaya na po yung paglapit sa mahal natin tatay. Maraming salamat. Sa ngalan po ng minamahal ng Papa, kapatid ng nanay ko, ako na po yung magsasalita sa inyong lahat. Sa pagkakalit po kayo, pinsan namin na magpasalamat sa inyo dahil na sobrang pong sakit, alam niyo po ang pagpapatayan sa pamilya.
maihahambing sa isang kastilyong buhangin. Sakdal, rubok at huwag di masaling, guguho sa ihip ng hangin. Ang alon ng maling pagmamahal, ang siyang kalaban niyang mortal. Kapag dalampasigay na haggan, ang kastilyo ay nabubuwal. Kaya't bago natin bigkasin ang pagsintang sumpa sa minumutya, sa diwa't gawa, makaisipin natin kung pag-ibig ay wagas. Kahit pa magsanga ng landas, minsan dalawang puso'y nagsumpaan, pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Sumpang kastilyong buhangin pala, pag-ibig na pansamantala. Kaya't bago natin bigkasin ang pagsintang sumpa sa minumutya, sa diwa't gawa, pakaisipin natin kung pag-ibig ay wagas. Kahit pa magsana ng landas, minsan dalawang puso'y nagsumpaan, pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Sumpang kastilyong buhangin pala, pansamantala, luha ang dala. Yan ang pag-ibig na nangyari sa atin. Gumuhong kastilyong buhangin. Kung ako'y iiwan mo, sana'y dalhin mo rin ang puso ko na di rin di